Okay, here we're given a region bounded by y equals 7 over x, y equals 8x, and y equals 1/8 x. And we want to find its area. So the first thing on these things is always you first draw a picture. So here's y equals 7 over x in the first quadrant. 8x is a line going through the origin with slope 8. Here's y equals 1/8 x. And this is my y equals 7 over x. So this is my region right here is bounded by these three things. I have to break this up into two pieces. So an A1 and an A2. So I want these points of intersection. I have a point here and a point here, and of course the origin. So for this point here, this upper point, I'm going to call this P. For P, we have to have y equals 8x and y equals 7 over x simultaneously. So 8x is 7 over x squared is 7 over 8, x is going to be square root 7 over 8. It would be plus or minus, but we're in the first quadrant. I'll call this Q. So for Q, we want to be on this y equals 1/8 x and y equals 7 over x. So 1/8 x is 7 over x. X squared is 56. So x there is square root of 56. Okay, now I can think about my areas. Okay, so my A1 here, the integral from 0 to the x coordinate there, square root of 7 over 8. The upper one is 8x and the lower one is 1/8 x. And then A2, the integral square root of 7/8 to square root of 56. And now I'm on 7 over x minus 1/8 x dx. So you still need to finish from here. I don't want to spoil the whole problem for you, but you can certainly do those integrals.